How to install the marquee light letter metal stacking rack. Upon receiving the goods, please carefully check whether all product accessories are complete. First, take out part 5, which is the bottom part of the product. Connect part 3 with part 5. Adjust the tightness of the sliding part to make parts 3 and 5 tightly combined. Take out part 4 and insert it into part 5. First link part 4 and 3, and use the locking device to lock it. After assembly, quickly follow the same steps to assemble the second one. Assemble part 2 with the previously assembled parts and lock the joints after assembly. Insert part 1 into part 2 and link the two columns through part 1. Note that part 1 has a protruding section. This part 1 needs to be installed underneath. Connect part 7 with part 1 and tighten the screws. Finally, connect part 6 with part 7. Our rack is designed with a scalable design. You can adjust the length of the rack. For different heights of marquee lights, our rack can also adjust the height. Our marquee lights are all equipped with hanging devices on the back. By connecting the hanging device with a letter light, as shown in the diagram, ensure that the height adjustment of the rack is consistent with the height of the letter as shown in the picture. After that, you can hang the letter lights on the rack and start your party.